Hey guys, it's Warren here and welcome back to the LEGO family channel. Now today I'm going to show you two really simple games you can play using some basic Duplo bricks, a pen, paper and a lamp. And these are great games you can play with your kids on a rainy day. Now, firstly, here's how to play a shadow tracing game, and you'll just need to do a few things in advance to prepare. Firstly, make sure you have your curtains drawn or your blinds shut, then take a desk lamp. Now take a piece of paper and place it in front of the lamp. And the aim of the game is to cast a shadow on the piece of paper using any type of Duplo brick. Then, using your favourite coloured pen, draw a line around the shadow that's been cast to reveal the shape of your Duplo brick in a slightly different perspective. Then, why not get some friends or family to try and guess what Duplo character, brick or animal you've actually drawn. And why not see if you can guess what this animal is, which casts a pretty impressive shadow. And in case you haven't guessed it yet, this shadow is of a Duplo deer. And now for one more guess the shadow, see if you can guess what this vehicle is. These type of vehicles work tirelessly day in and day out, and you're more likely to find these blocking a road in the countryside. And in case you couldn't figure this one out, it's actually a Duplo tractor. And now for our second game that can be played using Duplo bricks and some pen and paper, here's how to make and play some brick puzzles. And the aim of the game here is for one person to mark out some different shaped Duplo bricks on a sheet of paper using your favourite coloured pen, then for the other person to find the right bricks to match them up on the puzzle you've just drawn. And the great thing about this game is it can be played with any type of Duplo brick, and it's a great game to play whilst on the go. And if you want to make things more challenging, why not use some more complicated Duplo bricks, then time each other to see how quickly you can complete the puzzle. And remember, the more bricks you have to rummage through will also make the puzzle more challenging. Now, are there any Duplo games that you love to play with your kids that are a little bit out of the box like these? Well, let us know what they are in the comments below, because we'd love to hear your ideas. And there you have it, there are just two really simple games you can play using some basic Duplo bricks and just a pen and paper, which are perfect to play on a rainy day. Now, there are loads more creative ways you can use Duplo bricks to help your child develop. So remember to subscribe to the LEGO family channel for loads more tips and hacks to help make your life just that little bit easier.